Well, Lyall, huge congratulations on that result. And obviously on a personal level, it's always nice to get on the score sheet as well.
Yeah, definitely, especially after a long trip. We were glad. Obviously, we didn't start great in the first half, but in the second half to get 2 fast goals to give the fans something to cheer for coming all this way.
What can I ask you, what did you make of the performance? Were you surprised to be going in 0-0 at half-time? Were you surprised perhaps by the standard of TNS?
I thought we played really nice football. You can tell all of them want the ball and they play some nice stuff, and we struggled to get to grips with that in the first half, but once we started pressing them higher, I thought we can cope with it much better.
And tell me now about that short journey home that you have, and also all the fans that have come down as well. It's been fantastic.
Well, it took us 8.5 hours yesterday, so I can't imagine what it took them today with the traffic, so hopefully we can fly down the road and miss all the traffic. We've got a good few stops, so hopefully it's not too bad.
And obviously the name's in the hat now for the next round as well. Any thoughts on who you might like?
Not a clue. Hopefully it's not as far away as this one, but anyone will do. I don't mind.
No, that's fair enough. And I suppose, is this a welcome opportunity now to take this momentum back into the league with you?
Definitely. Obviously, we didn't have a great result last week. We all know that. So hopefully we can work on this and build and go again next week and get some good points on the board coming up.
Well, Lyall, thanks very much. You are the man of the match. Seren again, Lyall Cameron, Llangyfarchiadau mawr, congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks. See you after.